This robot can install drywall. It can help, and it can do any work like humans. And also, this can do better than most of the other robots and humanoid. This is designed for doing the work, and this HRP robot, and this is a training. It has trained on the construction work, and it can do lay bricks, and it can do all the construction work. And this is the best robot for installing walls and doing all the construction work. So uh, these humanoids nowadays are becoming best.